Hi, welcome to ENS. In this video, we are going to continue our finance management transaction. So we have already done income list or how to add income, and after that we are going to add expenses. So there are no transactions here. Add expense. We click on that. As mentioned in the previous video, uh, if you select a student, so you need to select the class, select section, and you can select the student from here. Or if the transaction is related to a staff, so select staff, you can select staff here. Or if it's not related to a student or staff, you can just enter here the name involved in the transaction. So I will just do it in the name of admin. That's the invoice number. Select cash or bank, cash in hand, and that's the expense head. So I will say refreshment, and that's lunch, and amount is 1850. So save and close. Add expense, another one, and it will relate it to staff. So I will select staff, uh, bank, light bank or MCB bank, whatever. Okay, that's the I will say house rent allowance, clothing cost, training cost. Okay, and if you don't find any required expense head from the chart of account, so you can add one from here. You can go through here, you can add another one here. If you don't find any uh, bank, so you can add from here as well. That's how you are adding. So that is teachers training cost, and that's and 7 close. Staff, bank, CB bank. It was required and we didn't put the reference number, so training cost, teachers cost, and 2350 and 7 close. That's been added. You can view it here and you can print from this button. So that's how we are adding expenses. Thanks a lot for watching this video.